Hello everyone, welcome to your favorite YouTube channel, My Project Ideas. Today we are going to make a project in Python and the topic is tweetbot. So let's have a look at the requirements first. First we need a text editor where we are going to write our code. You can use any text editor as per your choice, but I have used here VS Code. Secondly, you require an operating system via which your code runs. You can use Mac OS, Linux depends on the system on which you are working on. I am working on Windows 10, so this is what I have used. And the project is based on Python, and we require Python files here. So without much delay, what we are gonna do is we are gonna have a look at the code. So this is a Python file which we have created. So let's see. So first we have your import OS, import time, import random. From the random, we have imported all the classes. Then these are the system calls which you have done. Then this is an infinite loop, a loop which is unconditional, which is always true. So while true, it asks you to enter the username, the password. So we have the input function, then we are stripping that. Then we have the tweet list file path. Then the additional things, if you want to put something like hashtag, symbol, something, then you can enter the delays. Then you have to create your username, password. Then there's a file which contains your tweets. You have to add the text and the texts which you want for the tweet. Then what is the delay, like what is the time period between two tweets, at after what duration you want to put another tweet. Then if you want to continue, press Y or else press. So here this is for the yes, it's searching for yes. So if the character which this is the character input which you are taking, then here you have it's checking whether the character is small y or capital Y. If it is not that, then let's break it. If it is not yes, so it's no. So you're coming out of the loop. Okay. Then it shows you are logging in and certain account will be created. You have a drop down arrow, a key down arrow. Then you are going to update that key to the S2 and S3 strings and you're putting a space. Then you log into the Twitter as such. So whatever you are writing on the tweets, whatever you're inputting, that gets stored here. So there is a write function which is used. Then you have those arrows, like the first arrows and the last arrows. The first and last, these two are the variables, and these things, the key right arrow, the key down arrow, everything is given there. Then if the tweet isn't T1, then you have to check whether it is null or not. If it is null, then you continue and you update the value of n by 1. Then you add the tweet there. Then you open this tweet speedx, and by pressing the right arrow, you get the first tweets, then upcoming tweets and stuff. So you have a tweet number which also gets updated and the tweet also gets displayed. So, and the delays. The delay is what? The time duration between two consecutive tweets. So that also gets displayed and that also gets set actually. Then it shows after the stuff which is done, that this is a sleep, that is the delay time. It says tweets are tweeted and the task completed. And it says after your work, there is a very funny line. It says, I'm very tired. Press enter to log out. So here you get log out of the system. So now let's see how we are going to run it. So this is how we are we are going to run it. So let's run it. Let's move to the terminal. Then here's everything. Let's go inside this. So you should know how to run your files. I did an error. Okay. Copy error. See, copy it properly or else type it. Done. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to run it. How to run? We have written it here. Let's see. This is the running Python tweetbot.py. So let's see. Python tweet bot. This is your tweetbot which we discussed. Dot py. Okay. Enter. So created. Yeah. Created for us. It's asking me the username. So let me put my phone username only. Let's not put my phone number. Personal, right? Okay. My password. This is just a demo, okay? You can put your exact thing which you want. Witlist file path is semi dot something like that. Additional things, hashtag order. Not yeah, hashtag order. So let's say it's 2. Okay, so it shows. Okay, so delay it shows everything. So because this doesn't exist for me, this is not the perfect tweet thing which I have given. That's why it basically like doesn't change, because see it shows logging in, and because this thing is not present, this Simran at one at the rate, this is all false data, so it doesn't open anything. But the code as such, if you put the correct thing, it kind of shows you the correct output. So I hope you understood the working of this project. For more interesting project ideas, stay tuned to this channel. Thank you and have a great day.